Apartment building. Apartment building. Lots of people live in the apartment building. Board. Board. The conductor called for passengers to board, so we climbed into the train. Bull. Bull. A bull is a male cow. Fist bump. Fist bump. A gentle fist bump is an alternative to shaking hands. Flag. Flag. An Australian flag is flying on the flagpole. Fold. Fold. The man was careful to fold his clothes to fit as much in as possible. Hug. Hug. The actor and actress gave each other a hug as part of the show. Leaf. Leaf. The person is holding a leaf. Leak. Leak. One of the taps has a leak. No matter how hard we turn it, it still drips water. Lettuce. Lettuce. The lettuce was broken up into pieces and put in the bowl. Litter. Litter. There was some litter on the path in the park. Lock. Lock. The cargo ship moves through a lock. A lock is a section of a canal where water is pumped into and out of to raise or lower the boat. Loud. Loud. It was very loud being so close to the band when they were playing. Mail. Mail. The postal worker would deliver mail each weekday to businesses and homes in the area. Melt. Melt. We got an ice cream cone and kept walking to the beach. It had started to melt by the time we arrived. Pocket. Pocket. The man has a pair of gloves in a pocket of his pants. Pole. Pole. There is a pole in the middle of the train for people to hold on to. Pond. Pond. Ducks would often land and swim in the pond at the park, but it wasn't big enough for fish. Soccer. Soccer. People were playing a game of soccer at the local fields. Stamp. Stamp. The lady put the stamp on the ink and then pressed onto the label to print the message. Stamp. Stamp. People purchase stamps and then put them on letters and parcels to show that they have paid the postage to send the item. Statue. Statue. The Statue of Liberty is a famous statue and a landmark of New York. Video camera. Video camera. Video cameras are used to record movies and TV shows. Vote. Vote. People were given a ballot slip so they could vote for the people they want to elect. Wait. Wait. The lady put on an old pair of pants to highlight how much weight she lost in the last year. Whistle. Whistle. The coach had a whistle to blow when it was time to start and stop training.